Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about how can we create environment variable and how can we read them back using Python code. So I'm on my VS Code and here I'm writing few lines. So first one is to import the required module, which is OS, and then we need a variable which will read our environment variable. So for that we can do os.environment.get. Inside this you need to pass the environment variable name which we are going to create. So let's say I'm going to create a variable name my env, and then I will go ahead and say print. Okay, now next thing is to go to control panel. All these things I am doing on Windows 10. So go to control panel, go to system and security, and then click on system. So in this panel you need to navigate to advanced system settings. So here you will see at the end environment variable. So click on this button and we will be going with the user variable because that variable only I need for this login. So I will click on new and let's say this name is environment variable name is my env and its value is dummy environment. Click on OK, and I will close all these dialogues. So if you are running it now, it may not work. So although program executed successfully, let me clear the terminal. Sometimes what happens if it doesn't work for you, you need to restart this editor itself and then try it out. So I'm going to restart my VS Code. Let me clear the terminal. Okay, now let's run it. So it is still working on it. Interpret is ready, so now I can go ahead and run this. So you can see that it read the value of the environment variable my env. So this is how you can read the value just using few lines of code, and the module used is OS. I hope you enjoyed this short video and thanks for watching.